Alrighty then, welcome back. Let's go. Afternoon session. Let's see, where are we at on the day? Before I went to lunch, took the kids to some What a Burger, which they're like me. When I was a kid, I used to think it was Water Burger too, so I thought every burger came with water, or I don't know, had extra juice in it. I don't know. Yeah, had a good lunch there. How's everybody doing? I think we closed the first stream this morning around 1500. Tagged in one more trade later on, right before lunch there. Added another 700-ish to the kiddie pool there. 2270. Let's get the coins reset for this afternoon. All right, the way I like to approach the trading video game, think about it with 5 lives. Got the coins reset, ready to go. Vision boarding tool to keep track of your trades to not overtrade. Within those 5 trades, I want winner, winner, chicken dinner. 2 winners should be enough to put chicken dinner on the table. Make a living on 2. The rest is up to you. Looking for that bonus for the 3rd trade. I'm 4 for 4 today. So I don't want to jinx it. But let's see. Let's get the YouTube chat popped up here. Let's see. Change that.
What's her name? Sometimes to love someone, you gotta be a stranger.
The night will hold us close and the stars guide us home. I've been waiting for this moment, finally alone.
What's up, R25? Hey, check that out. 25 and R25 is there today. Is that your favorite Enigma number, 25?
Your lips were soft like winter, and your passion.
If it's in the 20s, you know it's probably going to be juicy. Yeah, that was the big up move there on that moonshot, all the way up to the ready up, 65 ticks to the top. Hey, Daniel. Let's zoom out a bit here to look at the higher time frames real quick. So, highest time frame, we are set in the middle, still green on the tide. Haven't moved much, been inside of a 90 tick range there. Maybe 100 if you, yeah, probably 100 tick range. Almost exactly 100 tick range on the high time frame there. And hey, we went red on the wave. So we got tide green, wave red. $25 is your favorite number. Excellent. It's a good number. Smash that like button and share, indeed. Yes, please. Yes, please. So we are outside the fiddle zone, so we are ready for some trades. I mean, give me a setup and let's go. Speed is horrendous. We're at 5 BPM right now. Let me try something. Gonna move the favorable. Yeah, I didn't think that was gonna be right. It's got to be centered. Old school, I used to like it center anyways, but I want to showcase the speed of the text down here with the new features. If you guys installed the latest version, you might have noticed. How many of you guys noticed the speedometer changes that will tell you details about the text? So that option comes right here in the psychology module on the far right. Remember, there are 3 options here. There is the background, B for background, O, the overlay, which is the giant X if you want the X on your chart, and then T is the text. So the text information now will tell you if we are okay, if we are great, perfect, all that kind of whatnot. There is a new setting on that. I don't think we went over that, so I'm going to pop it here real quick. So if we go to the ALGOBOX speedometer, so there is a new option there, psych great value. So great speed, right there.
DCDMEM on the 1.
So we got to be above, so it's got to be 30 or greater to qualify for, okay, this is the lowest I really want to trade at, 30. You can put that to whatever you would like. I personally think it needs to be above 30 to be in any kind of good speed. Great speed, that 50 miles per hour, that's where the good stuff starts. And then start to get high over 110. I really don't want to mess. I really could set that to 100 or more, but 110. I think I'll set it to 105 here where it would kick. But yeah, so those are going to be based on market speed. And various speeds are easier to trade than others. Okay, we got a 3 wise men here. I'll go ahead and get long on it. So stop underneath the bottom cross of the 3 wise men here. But we are strong buy side and spread out 3 set of crosses. You could also consider this double cross here at the bottom of a zone. This is a little miniature zone that's coming here. Be better if it was closer to the edge, but with the 3rd one right there, 3 wise men, I'll give that a shot to the top of the zone here for trade number 1 this afternoon. The way that works, let's zoom in since we got plenty of time because this is slow as molasses right about now. So 3 wise men's pretty easy. Kind of 3 spread. I kind of picture them as stars. The old 3 wise men from the east who came to see Jesus' birth. So I think, okay, the 3 wise men are checking it out. And which way would they go? And I would go, okay, what's the MAC VU? So what color we got here? So we're on a strong buy here. Simple play setup. I like it. Ooh, another cross right here. So that is closer to the bottom of the zone here. So I want to go ahead and try to catch a bid. Add to that position. Middle of the zone is right there where I'm entering. We are in the direction of favorable, and we are in the direction of the MAC VU. So I do want to see it go all the way across the zone and target the top of the zone here, since we are buying off the bottom of the zone. Boo. All right. Trade number 1. Taking a loss like a boss. Atrociously slow. All right, we got 2 minutes to get to 50 likes. One minute to get 3 more likes. Oh, we got it. 51 likes. All right, we'll be here the full session. Excellent work. 2:48 in the afternoon here. Should I go to NQ? Somebody, what's the speed on NQ on the 1s and the 2s right now? Yeah, because this is torturously slow. $84 on the 1s on NQ. Let's do it. It's been a while. You guys good with it? You guys tell me in the chat. Type in YM or NQ, which one you guys want me to do. We'll do a 1 minute timer here. And we'll decide. If I go to NQ, or stay on YM and play it through. All right, spam the chat. The more that I see, the more we'll do. So is it NQ or YM? I'm going to watch the spam chat. Let's see what I see spammed by. The more you type it, the more the likelihood is that we go to whatever instrument you are typing. All I see is NQ. I don't see one YM. And at the same time, I really wanted to retry this one right here. So I'll come back to see what happens here on YM. But it looks like a 2-try rule here to me to pop that one up. But the people have spoken. I'm going to NQ. All right, NQ 1224. Let's zoom out and see where we're at.
Speed of NQ short on the NQ1. Speed of NQ92.
Okay, so on our
92.
new version, you see it right here. So we're in great speed right now on NQ. And so to answer the low IQ troll whose name is Hello Haha. So first, I like to address you and tell you that you are a low IQ moron, because the truth is what sets you free. And we need more bullies to keep people in line, quite frankly. And somebody's got to tell you the truth. Who in their right mind is going to go out and create a username called Hello Haha? Secondary, though, to answer your question, if you followed at all around here, you would know that it doesn't matter what instrument you trade. Our system is agnostic to it. We can trade anything. And trading on better speed gives you better opportunities. You want to trade the instrument that has the best speed.
Speed of NQ91.
And speed can be quantified on our system using the speedometer, which will tell you with the psychology module whether an instrument is in play or not on the time frame that you're on.
Double delta.
And everything I just said is probably over your head because your name is Hello Haha, and you didn't take the time to even go through even the basic level training in our program. So there you go. And if you're not a troll, prove it. All right, 6.7 red AO on NQ Tide. How come I don't see that one? I don't see that one. .7. Oh, I don't know that. I think I have mine. I don't think I see 6.7. I think I've got my filter to 8. Like I don't show anything less than an 8, I believe. Speaking of tuning, so it looks like I need to
64.
NQ. I need to go to the 8s. I'm sorry, 9s. I was on 8s, so I'm shifting NQ to the 9s. Let me zoom out on that. So one of the things you want to change if you're kind of doing what I do, zoom out a little bit farther. Also, the tuning for these, I'll need to go into indicators on Alpha Omega here, and I can tell it's a little, there's too many there. So 8s looks like put it at about a 9 for the Alpha Omega.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89. Double delta NQ on the 1. NQ 98.
All right, we're starting to get some ready ups on NQ. All right, 16.8. 2 ready ups on a third. I will think about a potential reversal.
Speed double of NQ 89 on the 1.
We're on 1s, so I need to be on 5 smalls. Okay, we got the triple ready up here. Here's large. Once I punch in on king timing here, I will take a shot there on opposing. Now, the trick with that one is going to be we've got strong buy on, so NQ can tend to be a leader at times, and that is 3 ready ups in a location. Bake them to the highs and see if I can get a punch in on the short. King timing coming up here in a few bars. There it is.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
And we get an Enigma to add to the position. Tells me where to put my stop. Stop's going back behind the Enigma.
Speed of NQ 73.
And I'll look for some targets down into the ladder down below us. Don't like the fact that it's still on strong buy. But we did get the triple ready up and 16.8 back behind, so we'll see. Oh, stopped out back behind the Enigma right there. That is all right. So 2 losers in a row there. Be watching this line right here for a re-entry. I'm gonna put F6 right there for a re-entry point if we come back through. We got the triple ready ups around there, so if we do push up for a trap, I'll know where to re-enter there.
Touch NQ on the 38.
Two minutes till the final hour.
Speed of NQ 96. advanced touch NQ on the 38th.
Oh no, we got an Alpha Omega green right at the bottom, right as I'm trying to re-entry. Hopefully we get it, but that could shift right here. You know the drill on the first AO after a big move up. We'll stop out behind this cross. Nope, killing it. Okay, too dangerous, and it snapped too far through. Here's old NQ, too quick. I was trying to talk through it too much there. So there's the line where I'd want to re-enter. All right, I'm gonna give it one more shot here. It stops back behind the green cross.
Speed of NQ 104.
Target filled. Target
Speed
filled.
of NQ.
There we go. 2 try rule finishes us out there. Very nice.
NQ on the 4.
Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Very nice. Kind of disappointed in myself that I got myself shook out on that one. Should have left it, kind of gone ahead and let the stop come back out there. So did not have to take that secondary loss there. All right, winner there.
DCDM NQ on the 1.
We've come into the flat zone here on, literally on the flat in the MACV.
Speed of NQ 161.
We got one ready up right there.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
13.1. Too fast for me to react there, but I should have tried for at least a target 1 off of that 13.1. I'll retry it. Stops underneath the cross. Oof. Got me.
Speed of NQ 133.
So that triple ready up back there was definitely the higher time frame call into the move. Still on moderate buy, so still should be looking for opportunities to catch a trap. There's king timing.
Speed of NQ 77.
Okay, we're getting some big straight legs here. I'm going to turn on full auto. Daniel D, learn how to push the live button on YouTube. Or refresh your browser.
Speed of NQ 111. Speed of NQ 111.
So we're getting that message down there at the bottom right. It's too fast right now. It's difficult to react at this speed.
Speed of NQ64. Double delta NQ on the 1.
Okay, ready up number 1. So I want to take the next play, whatever it is. Would like to be in the direction of the moderate buy. Currently sitting at moderate buy. Got my finger over the buy button, but need an entry.
Double delta NQ on.
Oh, double. So now I'm looking for a reversal. Here comes king timing.
Speed of NQ69.
Unfortunately had no signal in there, but we are getting the double ready up here, so would love to see like an Enigma, cross, something here to get me on an entry. I just did not get an entry in there other than double ready ups. Could have blindsided it.
Speed of NQ90.
Okay, we just came into the flat zone, so the only place I want to turn off full auto is in the flat. Currently in the flat. Alright, I'll give it a shot here. Stop back behind the red cross here. 12.7, triple ready ups here. Looks like it had become an up move. Oh, I'm going to be just in the wrong spot there. Yeah, it's going to stop out. Oof. So triple ready ups here. Nice entry. I'd like a second try at that one. Still on moderate buy. Oh, we're at strong buy now. Oh my goodness. Little NQ.
Double delta NQ on the 1.
All right, there's another ready up. I'll give that one more shot here. Stop above the cross.
Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
King timing, add to the position one more time here, see if I can maximize it to get something out of it. Multi ready ups here, has a potential for a possible run, especially down to that 12.7.
NQ81.
Don't like that we're on strong buy. But we've got the triple ready ups and then another one right here.
Target
Trying to
filled.
suss it out. There we
Target
go.
filled.
And we got
Target
our runner on.
Target
I'm
filled.
gonna pull my stop in to point of entry there. So 2 on the run.
Enigma long on the NQ1.
And got an Enigma. Go ahead and close it out here. And is that on strong buy? It is. So I'll go ahead and take that. We are not in the flat zone. Stop back behind it. Again, very quick movement and action there on NQ. You got to be a lot faster on NQ. It's definitely not easy. Sometimes it can be very quick.
Speed of NQ 57.
Target filled.
Beautiful. Targets filled.
Target
And that
filled.
is trade number
Target
5
filled.
and my bonus there for trade number 6, up 1570 there on the day. What's our time? 3:10. So zipping out there. Here's our kind of tough afternoon there. Very interesting cadence here this afternoon. Wouldn't say it's a candy day, but I'll take it. Oh, thank you for that. Optimized range is 41. Well, that could help. Let's do that. 41R for NQ. Another thing, yeah, it's when you're shifting between instruments,
7.
if you're going to do it on charts, again, I usually recommend to have them already open. If you've got a larger layout for the live stream stuff, I try to keep things more simplified for training and teaching purposes, but the ideal is to have a big monitor or set of monitors so that you can have these up and not having to make changes on settings and all that kind of whatnot. I do it for the people. The people have spoken. You voted. But yeah, thank you for that, Pablo. Appreciate it.
Short on the NQ4. Enigma short on the NQ1.
17.3 into the moon. Oof, it is marching up like crazy on strong buy.
Short on the NQ1.
Double Enigma. I mean, I got to give that at least a shot here, bro. Stop back behind the Enigma.
NQ1.
Ready up, coming in.
Of NQ 98.
That could be dangerous. Got my finger over the close there.
Target filled.
Got target 1. Target 2 is a good ways down there.
Target filled.
Targets filled. Thank you, double Enigma. You gotta love it. Come on, let's get some Enigma hype in the chat. You know you gotta love that. Double Enigma with the ready up. That is a juicy one. And just a ready up with
Speed of
an Enigma is a strong enough combo to get big, in my opinion. All right, almost at 2K on the day, and we'll count that in as another bonus.
upper bands touch NQ on the 41.
What's our time? 3:13, 313s.
Speed of NQ 146.
Okay, we are still on strong buy. And that's on the up move. Let's get a measurement. Gonna go F8. And to the middle of these crosses. So there's a gold line right up above us. Cross came up right in front of it.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 41.
Daniel, I see you just now typing Enigma. I think you're still not live with us, bro. You need to click on the live button or refresh your browser and make sure that you click on the little button that says live. I think you're behind in the stream. You were asking earlier, is there a delay? There's not, but on your PC, you need to learn how to use YouTube live streaming, my friend. Just trying to help you out, bruh. Okay, gold line is right here. Put a white line there for potential runner target.
Speed of NQ93. Speed of NQ93.
Okay, there's two crosses. There's no three wise men here. That I like to anticipate what would happen if I see a third. We are on buy side.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
Oh, it's 22.2. Yeah, sure, bro. Count me in. Don't like that it's strong buy right now, so got my finger closed if you don't. And it's a moonshot. I'm gonna add to my position, but it's this is a three wise men. Three wise men going against a level 22. Oh, this could be bad.
Target.
Okay, target's filled. Give me the rest. Give me the rest before you explode it. Come on, push. Give me all 20. Give me all 20. Give me all 20, bro. Nope.
Target filled.
She don't want to do it.
Target filled.
All right, I'll take it. So that is technically a three wise men. Everybody type 3WM. Recognize that a spread like that is a 3WM. Three wise men. And what do I want to do? I want to look over to the left and I go, what is it telling me? Favorable direction plus, what does this say right here? Okay, I do not want to go against that. But in Enigma level 22, that is a very powerful number. So that was a tricky one, right? And I placed my bets. Stops were going to be back behind it. But yeah, that was
double delta NQ on the
juicy, baby. Juicy. Ended up being the turning point call there on a 222. Let's hear some Enigma hype in the chat. Moonshot. Overriding a three wise men. I'm learning on that one myself. That was a beauty. Even against strong buy. Holy shnikes. Literally sent it all the way down to neutral. Sent her on her way. Smashing. Bonus. For the afternoon. 3:18 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, I see a double already up in there. Along with some alphas. That might be the low of this section. We could run up the rest of the day. Let's see what happens.
19.
Three big wise men plus that. I mean, that tells me we should go. I'm going to toe in the water here, and I'm just going to push it way out. Let's just see if we get the run. It's a beast. Three wise men in the direction plus double ready up. Now it'd be better if I had triple ready ups, but remember, all I need is one cross to equate to high time frame. Let me go to none here, and I might even add again. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add again. All right, so quarter position right here. I'll put my stop in and let it ride.
Speed of NQ59.
Yeah.
Speed of NQ59.
All right, she's on the run for some fun, and I'll close it right out there on that white line back to the 222 for 26.75 on the day. Three wise men. Let's type some 3WN in the chat, or if you're a fan of the ready ups, which one do you guys like better? You like the multi ready up or the three wise men? Type in your favorite between those two. Double ready ups or three wise men, what's your favorite? Let's argue it out. Let's suss it out and see what's more popular here with the ALGOBOX crew. I mean, I like them both, you know what I'm saying? So it's hard. I'm having a hard time thinking which one I would like better. What do you think? Based on simplicity of entry, it might be the three wise men, just because it's even more visual, I guess. Plus it gives me an opportunity to get ready for it because there are two in front of it. So it's like, okay, there's a second one. Am I going to get that third? And then bam, I see it and I already know the direction of the Mac VU, so I can kind of mentally prepare for it. So I feel like a three wise men is, yeah, you know what? I think that one's easier. Plus the ready ups can be more spread out. Sometimes a three wise men has to be in a section. So I think it's easier for me to see. I think it's a 3WM. But yeah, both. I'm down with both. That one was pretty juicy to be able to try to call the bottom there on it. Plus, it got everybody off sides, you know, with that big of a move down twice. Everybody's thinking short. So you get the retailer off sides too. That was pretty juicy.
Speed of NQ79.
Had I not been, you know, past my bonus area, I would have gone bigger on that one. Here's king timing. Boom, right off the supply. Ooh, 11.6. Oof. I don't know what to do on that one. It's a moonshot short, but I am already past my bonus. We've got moderate buy going on here. I'm leaving that one be. Let's see how that one plays. We are inside the fiddle zone, so I would expect a little more heat.
Speed of NQ63.
Wow, there she goes. All the way to target. Why do I even doubt? Why do I even doubt the Enigma? She's such a beautiful beast. Why even doubt her? Monstrosity. That was pretty, wasn't it? I am $400 away from 3K. I'm gonna go Superstition Buster. See if I can get to 3K here. Plenty of time left. It's only 3:23, 7 minutes till the bottom of the hour. BTFD time coming up in 7 minutes. That's true. It was an L3 as well, wasn't it? Yeah, beastly.
Double delta NQ on the 1.
Oh, first ready up.
NQ72.
It's a single, so need an entry. We are buy side. Here in the Rice Krispies.
Double delta NQ on the 1.
Oh, 2 readies. Is this the top?
On the 41.
Is this the top? That is double ready up into, that is 3 ready ups. This could be high time frame reversing. All I need is a little bit to get me to 3K. What's it gonna be? I'm gonna try it. Oh my word, that is way too big, bro. Why did you go so big? Hold on, I forgot. I thought I was on 4. Hold on. I'm gonna half up here. Yoicks.
Speed of NQ 61.
Oh, don't wreck me for that. She's... Oh, I am about to get wrecked for that. The superstition is strong
Double
with this
delta
one.
NQ on the 1.
There's the triple ready up. So I have a better opportunity here to do this. I'm going to put my stop way back here. This is torturous. I need to be smaller than that. Yes, should have been like this and could have added up here. Instead, I'm in a precarious position here. Okay, back in on the ready up. Trying to get some positions off there. Okay, we locked in. Yikes, green could push us back up here. That's another ready up. Hopefully that forces everybody to start looking to the long side, tricks them, catches them off sides, and hopefully gives me my 400 plus.
Speed of NQ.
But I'm not going to cross my fingers on, well, I'm going to cross my fingers on that one, but I'm not going to hold my breath, if you know what I mean. We are still moderate buy. We have not shifted off of that. Headgummit. Could not react fast enough. It is too fast. I know it says great speed down there, but that was too fast for me to react properly, and then I'm all nervous because I got the wrong size. Okay, I'm getting multiple opportunities to rectify my sins there, so I am going to take off half like I should have before. And I'll take my 3K, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. You are welcome.
NQ 74.
Curtis G on the mic. Sing it to me, baby. You do not have to be perfect to be profitable, and that was definitely not perfect execution. That was sloppy execution, but I'll take it.
DCDM NQ on the 1.
You got this, baby. I know it's been crazy. You don't see me, it's exhausting. City to city, cause I'm shiny, boys is popping. You keep making plans, babe, I'm sorry, I keep flopping. Call me late at night, cause I love you when we talk. You don't matter where I go with you, not here, it's just not on.
Upper man's touch NQ on the 41.
Can't let go without you near me alone.
Speed of NQ 116. Speed of NQ 116.
Alrighty then. So the triple ready ups are saying high time frame, potential curve, and that is what is happening. You gotta love this system. I mean, you really just have to love the ALGOBOX. I don't know why anyone would trade without it, personally. Try it out for yourself. Don't forget, 2-week free trial. We do not email you other than sending you a link to go download. So don't be looking for us to be like, oh, here, you want to buy it? No, bro. You want to buy it? There's a pricing section on the website. If you want to answer some questions for me and give me some feedback, all you got to do is send me a direct message, get on a chat with me,
Short NQ on the 1.
answer 5 questions for me, and I will hook you up with the best discount offer. We'll beat Black Friday for you to get involved with us if you do want to purchase it. We also have a payment plan for lifetime, so come hook it up if you guys have questions. Don't forget, if you are doing an Apex account and you want the best offer on Apex, of course, code ALGOBOX is always going to get you the deepest discount on Apex, no matter what, whether they're doing 80%, 90%, 50, 75, you don't have to hop and shop around. Just remember, code ALGOBOX is always going to get you the lowest Apex price. You are welcome. Yeah, so that ended up being the high. I'm pretty sure if I roll back the tape, I said that could absolutely be the high because of those multi-ready ups, yes. And as fast as that came in like that, that gets a lot of retailers looking long. They're going to get away from trying to short it. Come in fast. That's the racquetball play, right? Everybody type racquetball in the chat. If you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you go through the training program, understand the speed of a racquetball off the front wall and how that is more of a signal of the reversal than
J hook long NQ on the
what people think. Oh, it's slowing down, it'll turn. No, it won't. You pop it fast, everybody's too scared to go against that, and they'll like, oh, it's gonna keep going. There's a lot of speed behind that. It's got some momentum. Ooh. Momentum is like one of the biggest fake outs in trading, in my opinion. A fast, quick move in a direction, and it's up and up and up and up. I was like, oh, okay, I got to get in on this. FOMO, and carnage.
Double delta NQ on the 1.
Carnage ensues.
Sometimes to love someone.
All right, I'm in on multiple bonus there, and that was juicy.
Speed of NQ 100.
3K. So now to get to 4K, I need to size appropriately, start mentally targeting a 4K opportunity here.
So anxious, my thoughts. Your lips were soft like winter in your passion.
Speed is currently too fast, so I got to be careful on the reaction time there. That big yellow area there is the 2-minute warning before BTFD. So we are just a minute past 3:30, final half hour of the trade day New York session. We are now moderate sell. How about that?
Speed of NQ 75.
So we got at least
Speed of NQ 75.
3. Actually, it is. It would be 3. There are 3 of the correlated instruments on the sell side now.
Double delta.
Oh, that's a good point. From the fisherman himself, says a fast up or down leg is like a flashy lure to a trout. Yes. It's like, ooh, I need to eat that. Ooh, I got to get that. That's a very good one. I'm going to have to use that analogy. I like it. Thanks for that one, Noily.
Speed of NQ 126.
Okay, back to neutral. I drew that white line before. What was that? Oh, that was the big target, wasn't it? Oh, and look, we touched it too, the penny.
Speed of NQ 103. Double delta NQ on the 1.
Okay, ready up number 1. Debatable if you could, man, those are really spread out. What I mean by 3 wise men is easier to see from because sometimes they're this spread out. If they're this spread out and this turns, holy shnikes, then that is going to be a massive down move. If this is truly the ready ups and they're triples and they're spread out this far, do y'all know how big the time frame is that's connecting this, of what turning point that would be? Like, that's like beyond 89. That might be like the 144 coming in, and shows on fib sequence numbers, but yeah, a 144 turn could be huge if that's what's about to happen there. I'm not saying it is.
NQ67.
A lot easier to read when they're together. But we're currently neutral. Did not go back to buy side. And all this speed up should be getting retail thinking, oh, okay, long. Okay, there is
DCD
2 crosses. Oh boy. Oh boy. And we're neutral.
Double delta
So,
NQ.
oh, okay, I want to be a short. I want to be short right here. Let's see. There is a 3 wise men neutral. Last one that we had was red. So we are looking for the turn. This could be a monster. This could be a monster. Here's king. Too fast for me to react there. I know it says great speed, but I'm walking through too much there. But 3 wise men. Type some 3WM in the chat if you didn't get in on it like me. I hesitated, but there's my 4K right there, just staring me in the face. Faked him out. Super speed up. Got him caught. Trapped in.
Double delta NQ100.
Another ready up. Big time frame could be coming into play here. Turning this over. Holy shnikes. Looking across the boards, and I see multiple signs of that. On top of the 3 wise men neutral, which was previously red. So I have to default to what it was before, which was red. Come back to zoom out here. We've got a 12 and a 15. That's huge numbers up on this one. We got the first ready up we've seen in a long time. You only need 1 on these higher time frames for big moves. You got those spread out ready ups from before. I don't know that I'd say this one is a great one, because that actually tells it back up. It's probably what pushed it up. But here we are into the king timing, which is the higher time frame. Say a higher time frame take over. 89 doesn't really give me anything specific, but we did get a red touch up there, so I can now take the tide and also punch in that the most recent one was a red, and so was the wave.
Speed of NQ101.
MACV still neutral. King timing in 3 bars. Wow, too fast to react. There's the supply. Oh, double supply. Oh man, it's too fast. It's snapping. Wow. It's dangerous when that happens. Cluster. Can't really call that a three wise men. It's more of a cluster there because we got two of those right on top of each other. Currently on sell side though, so we can take that down to target one. There it is. Yep. I didn't have my eye on this. Didn't have my eye on the ball over here. That was pretty easy. Targets filled there on a DCDM.
Double delta NQ on the 1.
10 minutes till the 350 algo. Yep.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
Current 9, the waves up on a 9, 10, 4, 3.
Double delta NQ120.
Okay, multi ready ups here. Multi ready ups. Big play coming in. We just got a blue dot. Gotta respect the blue dot. Power dot coming in there off of the 9s.
Double delta NQ.
And then multi ready up. Looking for the short. I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm way behind it. I'm gonna put my stops behind the ready ups here. This is just purely ready up and shark back there. Getting a little heavy, but to get to 4K, I gotta swing hard there to get to 4K.
Target filled. Target filled.
Utimus almost to 4K, 38.75
filled
on a triple ready up into a shark back play right there. Had I got a little bit better of an entry, probably would have cleared 4K there. Sell side. If that big time frame is coming in, like I had said, there's a potential of earlier, man, it's gonna be big.
NQ on the 1.
Into neutral. Another ready up right here, coming into the same locations. Shark back.
Speed of NQ 62.
Into another shark. Give me a cross or something. Give me a Flowmaster event, bro. There's one. All right, let's see if I can get my 200 bucks there.
CDM NQ.
Stop above. Oh boy, double cross into a shark. Adding to position, trying to max it out here. Let's see if I'm going to get any. We're currently neutral. It would be better if this was sell side.
Speed of NQ 62.
Now that is unfortunate. So I was at 4,100 right there. It's turned right in front of my targets. I feel like I'm getting front run. You guys front running me on that? Gotta stop that front running nonsense. Yeah, I'm gonna need the luck of the Irish to get that down there to get my 4K. It is a battle here. We're at neutral. Love to see it go sell side here on King timing, please. Thank you.
Target.
Thank you very much. I'm gonna take it because that's my 4K. 43.35. 4K a day keeps the JOB away. Oh boy. Oh boy. Ah. I know I did press the wrong button a couple times, didn't I?
Initial long on the NQ 64.
Hello. It's
John C.
All right, what's our time? 3:44. We are 6 minutes till the 350 algo. Nikita got an Enigma along on that shark on the 1s or the 2s, and what confluence level are you on?
Money market assets hit a record $6.4 trillion in the week to September 20.
I'm on confluence level 3.
Speed of NQ60.
Also, be careful on those Enigmas right now. Right, we're in the flat zone. Blah, 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 zone. So Enigma's gonna be a little bit trickier there. Yeah, you're on L2. Cool. Yeah, I hope everybody knows now. Just FYI, y'all can see anytime you want to know which confluence level I'm on now. You can see it right there. Yeah, I mean, how powerful are those ready DDs? You know what I'm saying? Our ready DDs now, I mean, come on. Crazy. Multi-ready ups. It's like, okay, higher time frame. And look how big the move down was
Speed
from
of NQ75.
where we were. I mean, it was big time frame. I mean, it literally tells you when the higher time frame is about to come in and start to get big. So then look for the trap and play against retail in the direction of the turn. Has played out very, very well many times for me.
Double delta NQ on the 1.
Okay, another 1. That's 1. Let's count them up. Three for me. I want to see 3. I need 2 of those and 1 of another. Basically any kind of triple thing to go along with my single ready up.
Speed of NQ
On the lower time frame. Higher time frame, not necessarily. 3:47, 3 minutes till the 350 algo. Triple bonus today to get to 4K. I am feeling the mental exhaustion. So I literally am going to try to not take any more trades unless it is just, it comes absolutely cannot not take the trade. I'm going to sit and we're going to walk through the rest of the day here. We're at 13 minutes. I'm sorry, 12 minutes till the close. 2 minutes now from the 350 algo.
NQ53.
And the 350 today, just, I can kind of just feel it. Can you feel it? Like the 350 today is going to be, it feels like it's going to be nuts. But then again, I haven't been on NQ in a while. So maybe I'm just, it's been a while since I've seen NQ. So, you know, it's starting to feel rowdy. Vinny cannot trade. Yep, sounds about right. Okay, here it comes in 1 minute 5 seconds.
Speed of NQ64.
1 minute till we get the market on close.
Yeah, we could look at end of day stocks. I kind of want to see how Tesla closed out today. All right, 5 seconds. No, I'm sorry. It was 35 seconds. Yeah, NQ is the long lost girlfriend. Let's see. It is now. It's 5 seconds. Here it comes. Let's see how wild it's gonna be. 350 algo. Here she comes.
Speed up NQ set on NQ on the 9.
Oh, she's getting wild.
So taking a look at the market on close imbalance, the S&P 500, 540 million to the buy side, the Nasdaq 100, 290 million to the sell side, the Dow 30, 220 million to the sell side, and the Magnificent 7, 270 million to the sell side.
That was not too wild there. Oh, we got a low IQ Uber driver. Can somebody go ahead and get those moderators to do your job? Bye-bye now. Thanks for dropping by. Make sure you deliver my burger hot and on time. Or no tip. Get back to your Uber route now, bruh. Scroll down on the Mac view.
Speed of NQ.
I'm at the bottom. Neutral. That's a pro tip. Hot and on time, bro, or no tip. That's a pro tip for you Uber drivers riding around with ICT. Oh, it's so funny. Salt my fries, bro. Don't drop the bag as you pass it through the window. Okay, it's another pro tip. Don't drop the bag when they're passing it through the window. Oh, and we locked up. So markets must have gone nuts there for a second. Let's see. Haven't locked up in a long time. Must be in queue. Yeah, don't eat my fries in the back, bro. No nibbles. Hashtag no nibbles. No freebies. What do they call the fry that falls in the bottom of the bag again? Let's see. When I'm coming back on here, look at that triple ready up, calling the reversal again. Gotta love that. 1, 2, and do. I am definitely liking the triple ready ups, I gotta say. Having them drawn there on the screen for me, so much easier to not miss. You don't miss them anymore. Anybody know what that nickname is for the, I forget what it's called, like something about like the lost fry. That's a funny name. The French fry that falls in the bottom of the bag. I know one of these ICT Muppets would know it. I should unban him so he can tell us what it's called, because you know he's sneaking them off the bottom. Bagglers. Is it a baggler? Oh. Is that what you call it if you do steal something out of the bag? You're a baggler? Instead of a burglar, I like it. But if you do eat the burger, take a bite of the burger. I mean, that's just wrong. Is that where burglar came from? I know, there's so much learning from these live streams, I tell you. All the fast food knowledge. What would you do without it? You couldn't even work with the ICT crew without knowing all these nomenclatures for... You need the slang for the Uber Eats, bruh. Be part of the ICT posse. Scamala. Oh my word. Why is a pizza more valuable than an ICT trader? At least a pizza can feed a family. Oh, I like it. It's a good one.
Baby, I don't understand this.
Grilled cheese Obama sandwich.
Four minutes till the close. We just came right back up to R1. Is R1 going to be some fun? We got the triple ready ups pushing this up. We have not seen another to push it back down. R1, there's the tap. There's the R1 tap. Where are we? We are neutral right now on the Mac VU, so don't have a bias on it. So let's consult our psychologist. Let's let me hold on. Let me get my earpiece in. Let me call our local psychologist. 1 second.
Do you suffer from a lack of a father figure? Do you have clinical depression? Have you ever accidentally broken your mom's favorite coffee cup, and when she found out you did it, she tied you to a bed and spanked you with a metal spatula? If you said yes to any of these things, I don't care. And to keep it a beat, no one cares.
Fry's value gap. Oh my word. Oh. It's not baby oil. It's GHB, bro. Man, look at that triple ready up though. I mean, gotta really start. If you're not already respecting the triple ready ups, like you really should start respecting the triple ready up. You know what I'm saying? Look at that move. Doesn't matter. I mean, no, like the feel is, oh, it's going down. It's going down. Look at this. She said, I don't think so. He said, hold on. Let me take you up. After the third one. Not even like second not down. I'm not trying to catch the low here. We're talking about if you entered after the third ready up for the reversal. That ran 67 ticks to the upside right now. Food for thought. Speaking of Uber Eats. All right, there's the 2-minute sliver. 2 minutes till the close. There's the high of day right there, that green line. What do you guys think? Should we do a poll? It's only got 1 minute and 30 seconds. Are we going to tap high of day? Yes or no? It's a liquid. Oh my word. 45 seconds. Okay. They said no. It's probably because it was right there. It was like, oh, it's going to get there. It's going to get there. And then they're like, what's the best way to play this? Everybody thinks it's going to make, look, that's a free 10 ticks. You're like, oh, I got this. I got this, bro. Yeah, we're going to high of day. Yeah, totally. Oh, yeah, yeah, go, go, go.
Enemy spotted.
Like Darth Vader, like standing right there in front of high of day. He's like, I don't think so.
I will send you to Jesus.
Market was like, oh, okay, yes, sir. Never mind. We were just dropping by to say hello. It feels like something's about to happen. I don't know why. No. Well, if you haven't grabbed that 2-week free trial yet, definitely want to hit it up. Don't forget, we're not going to be sending you emails. We don't put you on an email list. No email nonsense, any of that kind of stuff. If you want to hook it up, best discount price, just send me a DM. I got 5 questions for you if you want the ultimate discount price. Or, hey, there's a great price there on the website as well. There is a lease to own option there, usually the most popular. And, of course, don't forget code ALGOBOX for the Apex if you want the cheapest accounts through Apex. Always use code ALGOBOX. I'm gonna go drive my Bugatti.
I woke up in a new Bugatti.
All right, thanks for hanging out. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis, G, and Eddie B. I am sending out the big H-Town. See ya. Art team, show them how it's done.
The old adage where, the individual investor doesn't have a chance because the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, more money and better opportunity. I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use, they have better front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.